Hi, welcome to Palai Planet. And we've got another question from Circles. And I'm sharing my screen so that we can discuss it. Right, so here we are. And this is the question which we have. It says that VC is a chord in a circle, right? And it's such that it's subtended to angles on the circle at points A and D. So basically, chord BC is making two angles on the circle at points A and D, such that they're the values which are given, like angle BAC is equal to 50 degree and DBC is equal to 30 degree. Now, what we need to do is we need to find out angle DCB. Now, as I have been saying in all my videos, that in circles, it's about if you are able to draw the entire question on the figure, then you'll get the answer, you'll solve it. So we got to do it very, very carefully so that we don't commit mistake. We understand the language and we then get the question in a diagram form, right? So let's do that. And the first thing is that which is mentioned here is that BC is a chord. So let's first make B and C a chord of the center, chord of the circle. So we have connected B and C, and that's the chord. Now, what they are saying is that they both are, this chord is making two angles, angle A at point A, which is, say, suppose this is A, and then this is, say, D, and such that angle BAC. So let's connect B with C. Yeah, this is how I have connected, and A with C. So they are saying angle BAC, this one is 50 degree, right? Yeah. And they're also saying that angle DBC is equal to 30 degrees. So DBC is here, DBC. So let's just connect this. Right. So this is 30 degree, right? And what we need to find out is angle DCB. So that means I connect this, and this is what we need to find out, right? This angle. Now, it's a very simple question. ABCD here in this diagram is a quadrilateral. This is something which is quite visible here, and we all know that it's a quadrilateral. The next important thing is that it is a co-cyclic quadrilateral, right? It's a co-cyclic quadrilateral, and co-cyclic quadrilaterals have a property that opposite angles sums to 180 degree, right? So that's the property they have. So what we can say is that angle BAC is when it's summed up with angle BDC, right? So they'll make it 180 degree, right? And angle BAC, we already know that this is 50 degree, and this is something which we are trying to find out so that we can get the final answer. So this is 180 degree, okay? And now we can write angle BDC is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree, and that's like 130 degree, right? So we get this angle as 130 degree. Now it's very simple because we know that any triangle, the sum of all the angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. So we can write is that in triangle BDC, these two, all these three will make, the sum of all these three angles would be 180 degrees. So we can write that angle DCB, right, which is this one, plus the angle BDC, which is this one, plus angle DBC is equal to 180 degree, right? And DBC is this one. Now we have the values of, this is what we need to find out. So we can simply write DCB, and we can write is equal to 180 degree minus this one, and this one is 130 degree, minus further this one, and this is 30 degree. So the answer comes as 20 degree, right? So this is what how we get the answer of this particular question. So keep watching these videos from Padai Planet, and I'll be coming up with the next video on the circles, and slowly we will cover up all the chapters for you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, and bye bye.